National Vocational High School. Coordinators Cecil Cardenas and Charmaine Homicilio. Designer and maquillage by Harvey Christian Padigua Rivera. Once again, Aragel Carvajosa representing ng kahiusang puno sa Kabatanunan Dumadhoganon of Sidla Bitoon Cultural and Performing Arts from Bitoon National Vocational High School.